Some website owners use APIs, application programming interfaces, to facilitate data extraction. An API serves as a bridge between a client, like your computer, and a server, enabling them to communicate. The client sends a request across this bridge, and the server responds with the required data. Consider the usefulness of this. Imagine two companies, 365 company and a job board business, seeking to collaborate. If 365 company wants to share up-to-date information about how much a student has learned with the job board, they can use an API. This way, the job board gets the latest student data directly from 365's servers. The process involves two main steps: the API request and the API response. The job board sends a request to 365's servers via the API, and then the server responds with the data. To integrate a foundation model like GPT from OpenAI into your product, you need to connect to OpenAI's API. This connection is essential to send requests to and receive responses from OpenAI's services, allowing you to use their foundation models in your application. Using APIs is another critical skill AI developers and engineers need in their arsenal.